Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Medibuddy, Doctor and Labs, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Medibuddy is a healthcare platform designed to give users quick access to doctors, lab tests, health checkups, and medical services all in one place. It allows you to book online doctor consultations, schedule diagnostic tests at home, order medicines, and access insurance-related services depending on your plan. It's available on both Android and iOS, and is widely used across India for telehealth support and medical appointments. The app's main feature is its online doctor consultation service. You can choose a specialty, connect with qualified practitioners, and get prescriptions digitally. It also provides home sample collection for lab tests, offers detailed health packages, and supports cashless claims for users whose employers or insurers are linked with Medibuddy. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of quick consultations, fast lab test bookings, and the smooth insurance integration. The home sample collection feature is especially praised for being timely and hassle-free. The platform is useful for routine checkups, second opinions, and when visiting a physical clinic is difficult. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report delays in doctor responses, inconsistent consultation quality between different specialists, and occasional issues with appointment timing. Lab test pricing can vary depending on the partner labs, and certain advanced services may not be available in smaller cities. Additionally, customer support response time is not always consistent. In summary, the Medibuddy app may be worth using if you want a convenient way to consult doctors online, book lab tests from home, and manage basic healthcare needs easily. However, if you prefer in-person consultations or require highly specialized care, the app might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.